Top 5 coolest bird sounds. Comment down below the best one. Number 5. The kookaburra. This bird's chirp sounds like a person dying of laughter. Number 4. The shoebill stork. This bird not only looks like a dinosaur, but it sounds like a machine gun. Number 3. Black-collared starling. The starling sounds exactly like a baby crying. Number 2. Cassowary. This bird sounds like a prehistoric dinosaur. Number 1. Lyrebird. This bird has been known to imitate various different noises, such as a chainsaw and a laser.